Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on drawing three views. For the following block design, draw the front view, side view and top view. Use a separate grid for each drawing. So here is the block design there. So you'll draw the front view here, the side view there and the top view there. So you might sketch these grids here if you like on a sheet of paper and do your drawings. So three separate drawings, and I'll have the answers for you now on the next slide. So you can pause this video if you like to give you enough time to do your drawings, and then you can check the answers. So here's the answer for this particular slide. Okay, so there we go. We have the front view there. We have the side view here. And we have the top view there. I wonder how you went with that one. Now we'll go on to the next one. For the following block design, draw the front view, side view and top view. And again, use a separate grid for each drawing. So it's the same thing. Pause this video when you have some time then. You'll be able to attempt this yourself. I'm sure you can sketch these three views. I'm really confident you can do that, so try and do that before you look at the answers. So pause the video and have a go, and I will go to the next slide now and we'll look at the answers. So here we have the front view, here we have the side view, and here we have the top view. And I'm pretty confident you could do those. Let's look at the next one. So again, you're drawing each of those views on separate grid papers. So I'll just give you 10 seconds to look at that and to pause the video for as long as you like, and I'll give you the answers on the next slide. Okay, here we go with the answers. So we have the front view, the side view, and the top view. So this video has given you some good practice in looking at simple 3D objects and drawing the three separate views.